Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder taste good. Start by choosing a base like milk or almond milk and measure the powder accurately. Add sweeteners sparingly and test one at a time. Use a blender for ice or frozen fruit to mask grittiness. Try spices like cinnamon or vanilla extract for flavor depth. Finish with a quick taste and adjust to personal preference before serving. Warm, friendly tip time. Always taste as you go when adding flavor boosters. Start with a small amount of honey, cocoa, or vanilla and blend, then increase gradually. If using coffee, dissolve it first to prevent grittiness. Consider citrus zest or a pinch of salt to brighten flavors. These small changes make a big difference in masking chalky notes and creating a drink. Texture matters as much as flavor, so blend for at least 30 seconds for a smooth result. If you prefer less foam, blend briefly and stir, or let the drink rest for a minute. Nut butters and a small splash of oil add silkiness and help carry flavor. For on-the-go options, pre-mix with minimal liquid and shake before drinking, then adjust thickness at the time of consumption.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.